Hello. So we're back, and this time we have a job from a customer. This is a nice laptop, yeah. It's a Acer Nitro, proper nice gaming laptop. The screen is full HD, 120 FPS. This is a nice one. This laptop is bad news. Okay, so let me tell you exactly what the customer is saying. I've got a Acer Nitro 5 AN517 that won't switch on. PSU goes on into the protection mode when connected, and battery is flat. You know what? I've disconnected everything from the motherboard, including fast memory, but still the PSU goes into protection mode. Those are bad news. I mean, are very bad news, not bad. So basically, you have something shorted on the motherboard, and I swear these are like 50-50 chances. The customer can be lucky to be a capacitor, or can be unlucky to be a MOSFET, and obviously because it's a very big charger, short the CPU or the GPU. Okay, well let's open and you know, just gamble. You know, this is a gambling job. Let's see, the customer is lucky, or we are lucky, or not. I mean, what are the odds here? Yeah, what do you think it is? What do you think it is? Because last time, you remember, we had that gaming laptop, which I think like 5 minutes was a capacitor. But on gaming laptops, from what I found, on gaming laptops, I found more like shorted MOSFET instead of shorted capacitors. Okay, let's take the screws out. So how is everyone? Everyone is okay? Easter is coming. Okay, let's open the laptop. We took out the screws. Let's see, I'm curious. I'm curious. Clearly, the main power rail is shorted. Clearly, I mean, I can test that on the charging port, but I don't want to come with the power supply. Okay, so we open the laptop. This is a nice laptop. Oh, I swear this is the chipset I need. SR40B. Yeah, that's the one. I'm still waiting for that chipset. Okay, so you can check on any power supply. I mean, you can see the coils, you can see the capacitor around, and you can check if you have a shorted power rail or not. 0 ohms. 0 ohms. Yeah. I'm trying to use less as possible the multimeter. I've seen some people complain about the noise from the multimeter. So the main power rail is shorted. You know, I should check without the battery, but that's not important. Yeah, 0 ohms. Okay. So what we can do? Basically nothing. Yeah. What we can do? We can take out the heatsink. Yeah. Come with the power supply with some current, and then is the pray moment. We have to pray to have like a shorted capacitor, not a hot CPU or a hot GPU. Okay, so the heatsink is open. I'm not sure if I have to take out the fans. Yeah, probably. So this it will be the sad story of a Acer Nitro laptop or a happy one. Hmm? But clearly something failed here. Okay, so those are the fans. Let's take out the fans. That's the screen. Let's take out the screen. We don't need a screen. That's a nice heatsink. Good. So we have. Oh, this is a piece of heatsink. Lol. After a while working on high temperature, the thermal pad is getting solid like that one. Good. Now let's take the thermal camera. Give me 1 second. Let's come with the power supply. Yeah, 0.9 is fine. By the way, on the laptop from yesterday, you remember the Huawei one? I did order the motherboard. Okay, current. Let's come with less current first. So here we have nothing. Here we have nothing. Okay, that means this is not ground. Yeah? Or, nah, it's not ground. I need a ground. How this cannot be ground? Oh yeah, it is. So we have 0.01 and here we have 0.00. So here we should raise the current. You know what? The things looks good. I swear. So look at the resistance of the short. It's very low. Look at the voltage. So if I will have a shorted MOSFET, then on the voltage, I will have probably like 1, 2, 3 volts. But look at the voltage. I believe this customer is lucky. Let's see. Let's check. I trust this laptop. I'm confident this laptop can be repaired. I can't see anything. Hmm? Or we have like the joke from yesterday. We have a 0 ohm internal resistance, like CPU 0 ohms or. Not sure if we are lucky. I can see the CPU is getting warm. You can see the color of the CPU, and that's the color of the GPU. Nah, I still believe we are lucky. Let's raise the current. Yeah, let's raise the current. Let's raise the current. 2.7, 2.8 amps. Nah, please be a capacitor. Please be a capacitor somewhere. But I can't see it. Or this is ground. Let me check on the other side. 0.06. 0.06. Wait, actually, this is the resistance of my wires. No, it's 0.04. What? Wait. Let me see where I'm pushing current. I'm pushing current on the right place. I can even push current here. It's same thing. On the plus of this capacitor. It's fine. It's same thing. It's same thing. Exactly same. I'll raise the current. 4.5 amps. This is a lot. 4.6 amps. I can see something here, but possible to be on the other side of the board. Wait, no, wait. Those are getting warm. That's good. That's good. Exactly what I told you yesterday, yeah? You remember? So you see those two resistors there? I mean, it's like 1 centimeter apart from the probe. Those are getting warm. That's mean my short is not here. It's going here somewhere. So I was checking right here, the place. Yeah. But I really believe here is something shorted behind of the board. You can see, I mean, based on the spread of the heat. Yeah. So we have here a spot and here another spot. Kind of strange. Now let's take the board out. It's on the other side of the board. The short is on the other side of the board. Usually you are lucky and the capacitor is here somewhere. I'm pretty sure it is a capacitor. Yeah, this is not a MOSFET. This is not a MOSFET. Because the resistance of the short, and I made a video about that, the resistance of the short is very, very low. Let's take out the connector, BIOS battery, that's the keyboard backlight, that's the touchpad. I don't know what it is. What is this? The keyboard probably, yeah. So I believe this is a case. I'm not sure yet. It's weird because I have two spots of heat. Oh, wait. You are thinking on what I'm thinking? You are thinking actually we have the layer boards burned? Because that can explain why the resistance is so low and it's here on two different spots. Usually a capacitor is a small spot. Here it's a big area. You know what? Yeah, that can be that is what can be on this one. Because the resistance is like weird low. We have the speaker here. It's not. So what is shorted on my board then? Okay, that's strange. The things are just getting weird. Okay, so let's go again with the power supply. We have like 5 amps there, eh? 5 amps, yeah? Yeah. So we have here that spot, you can see it clearly, and we have another spot here. And I don't know why. And this area has different color. Wait, I'm missing something. That's strange. That's very strange. Nah, nothing. Everything is cold. So you have minus, and we need a plus. I believe this is the main power area. Must be. Yeah, and we have two big resistors. That's good, because those resistors can give us an idea on which side is the short. Yeah, wait. Yeah, that's the short. Yeah, it's taking 4 amps. Wait, what's there? What is there? Here. Here. Let's get the brush with a little bit of alcohol and let's check under the microscope. Yeah. So this area here is something strange. Now let's come with the current. And we have current and I still can't see anything. Oh, wait, it's here. It's here. So that capacitor is cracked, you can see it. This one. Yeah, that one. I can even keep my finger. So the resistance is so low. I mean, hopefully it's that capacitor. It's cracked, yeah? Yeah, it is cracked. Look there. It's a cracked capacitor. Okay, let's remove that capacitor and see what's going on there. Yeah, the board is sucking the heat. That's a solid motherboard. Yeah, the capacitor is removed. Let's see if we have any short. Nah, no short. No short. You can't see it. You can't see it. So here is no short. And where is our capacitor? Here. So that's our capacitor. And check here. You can see on the multimeter 0 ohms. 0 ohms. Wow, that's insane. Of course we're gonna replace the capacitor, of course. This is a customer job, what do you mean? People really believe actually I'm not replacing the capacitors? Now I seen comments asking, sorry, but from where did you get the capacitors? Very simple, you take the capacitor from the main power rail of different motherboard, like this one, yeah? I mean, this is nothing critical. I can even leave the board without the capacitor, it will be fine. Okay, so this capacitor is removed. So we have to move the capacitor there. Look at my capacitor, it's even better compared with the original one. I mean, clearly a bigger capacitor means has a bigger capacity. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now let's clean the board. Perfect, like new. Yeah, we can check for short one more time. No short. And now all what is left is to test the laptop. You see, this was a lucky customer. I can't believe how lucky it is. Let's be honest, we all know what's the story with the gaming laptops. Right? I believe everyone from this channel looking at this video knows the story with the gaming laptops. And usually, yeah, it is only the capacitor, it's nothing else. I just, just to put a few wires and test it. Because obviously, when you open a laptop, yeah, a gaming laptop, I mean, you can give back like how it is, but it's good, just to change the thermal paste, clean the fans. It's a good practice, you know what I mean? It's not like we waste so much time with the repair. No. Usually I'm not doing this kind of stuff on the stream because it's boring. And when it's about cleaning fans, I'm going outside. Okay, here everything is fine. I will not plug the battery yet. Not yet. Let's put a heatsink. You have this pad. You know what? I should replace this pad. So you see, this is a thermal pad, yeah, and it's so dry, it's getting broken in pieces. You see, and I should replace it. So this was over the coils, yeah, or not? No, over this coil. So we have the line of the MOSFETs. Then we have here coils. Here, yeah, was from here. But what's the point having? Strange. I have to make sure where that thermal pad it was. Let's see. I mean, we can plug the battery. Only the battery. Good. Let's connect the fans. We don't need the Wi-Fi. Now let's connect the battery. No, the screen. Sorry, the screen. Let's not forget about the screen. Let's try to power on. Power button. Where is the power button? is here, it's on the keyboard. And I can see the backlight on the keyboard. The laptop switch off. Let's plug the charger. Probably it's, you know, it's resetting, we reset the BIOS, so it will be restarting. Where the charger has to be. Huh? Oh, it's on the back of the laptop. Okay, I will not plug the charger then. Or I can plug it, just for testing. Wait, the laptop shut down. Start again. And we don't have picture. Why? Oh, that's crazy. Don't tell me it's another fault on this motherboard. We should have picture, right? Oh, we have picture. I seen the Acer logo. 1 second. I think it's still resetting the things. Because it's no hard drive? Can be. No bootable device. Yeah. Yeah, because it's no hard drive. It's working. It's working. Yeah, the customer took out the hard drive. It's working. This is a lucky customer. It's a lucky case. Okay, let me switch it off. I'm happy. You know, this is like the perfect fix on a Friday evening. Yeah, it's like 8 o'clock in the evening. Now I can have a happy weekend. And also we can have a happy coffee tomorrow morning. Yeah, tomorrow is Saturday. It's coffee time, yeah? And I'll stop now. I'll say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And if you have this laptop, now you see you can have capacitors on the other side of the board. But on the thermal camera, it will have like a wide area. I was believing actually the motherboard layers are... that capacitor had very, very low resistance. Yeah, so see you on the next one. Bye.